So now we went ahead and beat the mixture together for 3 minutes, scrape down the sides of our bowl, and let the dough rest for 10 minutes. Now we will be mixing it on medium speed again for 5 minutes, which is going to help the bread become elastic. But before I do that, I want to talk about the science of what is actually going on. We did use a ½ ounce of yeast in our mixture, which helps to aerate the dough by producing carbon dioxide. We made sure that we have a warm environment, so we didn't use cold water. I did room temperature water because if it's too cold, the yeast will not react. The dough itself, with the reaction between the water and the flour, under the right conditions, has created gluten, and then the gluten proteins are then going to link up and form coils, which are going to allow the dough to become stretchy and elastic, which is what is going to happen hopefully after we mix it for the next 5 minutes. We are letting the dough rest in between mixes because what's happening is there is a lot of disulfide bonding going on in the dough, and we want to give it time to relax, which is going to help those protein molecules to become more organized and more aligned. And then the salt that we put in the dough, and then at the end we're also going to sprinkle some thyme, some kosher salt, and some pepper over the top of our bread. It's going to help absorb the water on the surface of the dough. It slows the rising time, which is going to allow all of the flavors that we added to really be absorbed into the bread. And it's also going to strengthen the gluten, and the CO2 bubbles will also keep expanding. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to beat the dough, and hopefully by the end of this, I'll have a really nice loaf of focaccia bread. Thank you.